1, 2, 3.
Hey Peeps!
We've got pizza and pyjama night, and we're going to be watching, if I can get round, I can, excellent. Oh yes, a little bit of Labyrinth. Editing is a wonderful thing, and yeah, so for context, everybody else here knows that I'm going to be doing a live fabric haul, fun times. So the lovely Sandy went to Spotlight for me and bought a whole bunch of fabrics from Australia, and she's come over to the UK and she's smuggled them in for me and worked out some way of getting them to my house, which is amazing. So this is the first time I shall have seen them all. Any guesses what's going to be on them?
Leaves.
It's like you know me. Oh! Now I bought these, but this is like a present to myself. Thank you. I love the wrapping paper. Every single one's got leaves on it. I think I have an issue.
Do you think you might have been a botanist in a past life?
Maybe.
A tree.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
This is a linen. A cotton linen blend, I believe.
That's beautiful.
But yeah, I've no idea what I'm going to make with this. But I saw it and I was like, yeah, I need that.
That'd make me a lovely dress.
Would it?
Yeah. I think, yeah.
You're like my mum.
I think it would make nice wide leg trousers.
Yeah, really nice
I don't know how to feel because it's a little bit, but it's not been washed yet, so.
It might, yeah, it might soften up when it's been washed.
And then this is rayon.
Lovely.
Oh, I like the live sound effects. This is brilliant. Let's do live fabric hauls all the time.
You're still doing that.
No, it's usually just me going, oh, but everybody else does it too. Yay!
I'm sitting there at home, and when you're holding up fabrics, I'm going,
I know, I do the same. Like, oh, that's nice. Where's she got that from?
You've got me into so much trouble as well. Whenever I watch your fabric hauls, Rachel, I am just like, I think I just need to go to the textiles. And then it's like when I hold them up in the next haul, it's like, Rachel made me do it. So I got 3 meters of this one because I wanted to make the beach pajamas out of this.
Yeah.
I think this is going to look awesome with black bias binding, although I could definitely go for like the turquoisey blue bias binding. That could look quite nice. So yeah, thank you very much to Sandy for smuggling these into the UK for me. That's very kind of you. Stop now.
You've not found the button yet, have
No,
you?
I haven't found the button.
This is where you say all the wrong
I'll
things.
take some bloopers.
I think she's missed me. I also... Oh, are you off? Oh, yes. I also managed to first forget my camera yesterday, and then I have left it at Larcombe last night. I am the best vlogger in the world. Oh, and hey peeps! Happy Sunday! And she's back. I think you've missed me. Oh, hang on. See, she is nice sometimes. The last morning at Larcombe, everybody's out enjoying the sun. I don't blame them, it's gorgeous. Let's have a look. It's nice. This is the lovely Faye. Hey peeps. She's been trained well. How long have we known each other?
too long.
Far too
Probably
long. Getting on to
15, 16, something years.
something like that.
Right, yeah.
So Faye actually came to meet me for dinner when we went to the knitting and stitching show, but I don't think I filmed any of that, did I?
No.
I didn't stick a camera in your face.
No.
So you may have heard her voice, but you didn't get to actually meet her. But this is the lovely Faye.
Hello.
And she has come down with her mum, and you guys have had a kind of pottering around
We've had a
weekend.
pottering around weekend. I didn't do sewing this time, but I probably will do sewing next time.
Excellent.
Because Shan's made me do it.
I didn't tell her to say that. You're brilliant. Thank you. What's this for?
I'm pleased to find out.
I've already got so many presents. This wrapping paper is
Well, if you open the
gorgeous.
card first,
Oh, okay.
because you'll
Okay.
realise what that is.
You've already sent me a birthday card.
Oh.
Thank you, as nice as sunshine days, and just as sweet as honey. Oh, look at that. Dear Sean, thank you very much. Thank you. It does not seem enough for all that you have done to organise your very first retreat of 2019, and I am part of it. EP. You are the kindest girl. Your happy smile and waffle vlogs are enchanting. You shine joy, happiness, and laughter. So many people. Oh, I'm so proud of you.
To know you.
To know you. Sorry. Thank you.
All my heart.
Oh, thank you with all my heart.
Yes,
Ah, right. Okay, Hannah. Oh, sorry.
My writing's illegible.
It's getting used to other people's writing. With when I read yours, I always have to edit out my pauses because I'm just like. But that's gorgeous. Thank you so much, and I love Pooh Bear. He's so cute. Thank you. It's okay. Flamingos. Oh, you've done it again. Wrapping it so that I can never get into
That's kind of
these
awkward to
Yes.
So.
I swear though that people just like to watch me struggle.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Can't have it easy.
Wow.
Well, sometimes you open things the wrong way and then
Yes,
turn it
I'm
around.
just. Oh,
love
that's
these.
lovely. That's going to go up in the sewing room.
So I got that from the island as well.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I thought it would be.
That's gorgeous. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Right, and this one, you're going to hate me. You're going to really hate me on this one. This is why I wanted it filmed. So you might have to, when you edit, do the speedy up thing. So happy birthday.
Oh.
This is happy birthday. I wanted to give this one to you in person because I think it's kind of special.
Okay.
Yes, Mia and I had secret conversations.
Oh. Well, it rattles. Oh my goodness.
It's like pass the parcel, but only one.
And to myself. Oh, good grief.
Yeah, I did this on purpose.
Do you need some scissors?
Now I have
No.
nails. You got it. Oh,
Yeah.
Anna.
I like this.
Just
What's
the
fun?
background noise of the dog. That's the one that
Yeah.
Kelly Ann gave. Oh, that little lady.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, Mum, me. Is she not going to be that cute again? Kelly Ann gave it to her for Christmas. I didn't expect it to last this long.
No, it's really lasted well. All it's lost is the squeaker in the head.
All the way from America, that one as well. Kelly Ann shows dogs, so she clearly has
Oh,
the
does she?
inside
From
track on-
Canada, wasn't it?
No, America.
America.
Yeah. She has the inside track on toys that will last. Well, that's beautiful. And
French
very,
seams.
very French seams.
Oh, such hard work wrapping this present.
Yeah.
Anna! Oh, I like mint rock. Yay,
Yes.
thank you very much. And actually a size that I could probably manage.
I'm trying to find mint rock because actually really hard. They do all these really strange flavours and it's like, what?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like Coke flavour rock?
Yes, I don't like rock.
I told you would hate me.
We are going to have to like time lapse.
Yes. Yes.
So we've got some doggy in between.
Look at that face. Gosh.
Yes, good girl.
Yeah. You have to kind of
never stop.
No.
Good girl.
Any idea what?
I have no idea.
Oh, good. Because usually you gift your presents before you open them.
That's fun. It's kind of got a rattle.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh, you've finally got into it now.
Yes, I recognise from that. Oh my god, Anna! Oh,
What is it? Oh, it's Black Orchid.
That's amazing.
I hope that's the right one.
That's yeah, that's
I was
that's
like
absolutely
looking, and the
brilliant.
bigger models because
It's my favourite scent.
Oh yeah. That's amazing.
She loves it. But since you changed your work to building your own business, you don't get it very much anymore. It's present.
expensive. So yeah, I
Oh, that's really kind.
To treat myself to it after 6 years last year. I'm taking that bottle out. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's so
you can
lovely.
understand why. I wouldn't want to
Yes. Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Happy birthday to me.
Yeah, I don't know what it smells like, so I'll have to. Okay.
I should put some more on.
I was going to say, yeah.
The bottles are beautiful as well. They're
Yeah,
a work
I did
of art.
see. I
Oh my
thought,
gosh.
yeah,
Yeah.
because I checked and checked to make sure, because, yeah.
Perfume's
It's
a very
strong in your face, like,
sensitive
Oh, there we
thing.
go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You don't even need to put your nose
yeah,
in. It's like, okay.
That's beautiful fragrance.
It's lovely. Yummy, yummy roasty dinner. And Mum made rock cakes too. Oh, and I don't think I've shown you guys this. Look what Anna got for me. Isn't that amazing? Thank you. Hey peeps. I don't think I actually said that to you this morning. I've been a bit of a crap vlogger for the last couple of days. First of all, yesterday I forgot my camera, and then I left my camera at Larcombe in the evening. Whoopsie. But never mind, never mind. That was an amazing weekend. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I am exhausted. I am utterly exhausted. I am going to go and sit in a hot bathtub now and kind of curl up and go to sleep very, very early. I think it's about 8:30, 8:45, and I will not be surprised if I'm asleep before 10. That was utterly amazing, and thank you to every single one of you that came. Thank you very much also to Mum and Dad for being so unbelievably supportive. And just, I can't wait to do the next one. And there will be a next one, and there will be many more, I hope, because Ruth, we haven't even managed to put Ruth off. I think she'll let us come back. So, yay. That was awesome. I hope you have enjoyed the bits and pieces that I did manage to film. Lynette very kindly filmed some bits and pieces for me as well and has sent those over. And I know Rachel and Anna both managed to film bits and pieces, so hopefully when their vlogs go up, you'll get a little of their perspective of the weekend as well. So, yes. Still a massive grin on my face, so thank you, as I say, thank you so much to every single one of you for coming. It was an absolute joy to spend the weekend with you. And on that note, I'm going to say goodnight. I'm going to get in the bath and I'm going to sleep like a log. It's going to be immense. I hope you've enjoyed what I have managed to film, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.